Hello scrapers, already have a list of businesses or URLs but missing key details like emails, phone numbers, or ratings? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enrich your existing file using Outscraper powerful data services. So let's dive right in. First, choose the enrichment service you need. In my case, I already scraped business data using Google Maps Scraper, but I didn't include emails. So now I'll use email and contact scraper to add that missing information. Click the upload button and go to enrich file. Select the file you want to enhance. Just make sure it has the right headers so Outscraper can match your queries properly. I will include the list of headers in the description of this video. I will further enrich my file using email address verifier so I can have the column of this service also. Once everything is set, hit get data. Hit confirm and let Outscraper do its work. Once the process is done, hit download and get your enriched file with the new column automatically added.